So how long does a facelift actually last? A facelift usually lasts about 5 to 10 years, but this can be very variable depending on the quality of your skin, the type of facelift that was done, and even your lifestyle. You also want to make sure that you take care of your skin and avoid it from things such as sun, smoking, and even alcohol. Even though you've taken years off of your face with a facelift, you should expect that you will continue to age normally. But after 5 to 10 years, you're probably not going to need a full or very complicated facelift. You may just need a touch-up to remove some extra skin or just to get a little bit of extra tightening. I usually recommend patients to consider doing maintenance procedures throughout your life so that you can always maintain a very natural look without having an overly dramatic change or unnatural result.